Hi, Professor Amy. I'm actually in my room right now. Found out I had a personal hotspot, so I dropped that in. Um, my next presentation is gonna be me explaining how to string a lacrosse head. I've been stringing lacrosse heads for shit. I'm that old. I don't know. At least 13 years. 13 years. So I'm gonna string a lacrosse head, explain what's going on with it, why you need it strung a certain way, and everything like that with your mechanics. Um, it's gonna be fun getting it into that small time frame, but I think I can get it. And that's it. Hope you're having a good day. Hope this makes it better. Alright, bye.